Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly extract your Windows 10 product key in two simple ways. This works perfectly in 2025. The most direct method is through Command Prompt. Type CMD in the Windows search bar. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Then type this command, press Enter, and your original Windows 10 product key will be displayed right on screen. Another way is to grab it directly from the Windows registry. Type regedit in the search bar and open the registry editor, then navigate to this path. Here, look for the backup product key default entry. That's where your Windows 10 key is stored. Keep in mind, if you've upgraded from Home to Pro or switched editions, the key you see in Command Prompt and the key in the registry might not match. One could be your original license and the other for the upgrade. And that's it. You now know how to extract your Windows 10 product key using both Command Prompt and the registry editor. This is especially useful for reinstallations or upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.